of class 8B.
And I am Manan Chhabra of class 8.
Today we are going to explain about fully automatic cloth machine. So this is our model. When we are not at home and if it rains and our clothes are drying outside, and it starts to rain, so it is hard to keep the clothes inside. So this machine can help us. Whenever it rains, this sensor will sense it and the clothes will come under the shed. And as soon as it stops raining, the clothes will go outside again.
We have required components such as breadboard, washer, LEDs, lithium battery, servo motor, LCD screen, I2C, then Arduino, and then this. So first we will connect a common wire to 5 volt and breadboard positive, and then all the components like the power to LCD screen, relay module, and raindrop and servo motor. So we have put all the wires in all the components. Now we will connect to it with the breadboard. All the wires through 5 volt and ground. Now we have fixed all the wires to the Arduino board. Now our project is ready. We have fixed all the components inside the project like raindrop sensor, servo motor, and a relay module and Arduino.
As you can see, as soon as it rains, the clothes get under the shed. So here you can see on the screen, it is showing rain level 3% and clothes are outdoor. And the LED is green. As soon as the sensor senses rain, the clothes will go indoors. And the red LED